How to enable How to send videos from camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. For that, you need to tap on the chats at the bottom of the screen, and you need to select any persons or the user that you want to send the videos on a Snapchat. Once you open, you need to select the two cards like icon at the bottom of the screen, and here the camera roll option has already been opened. You need to select any videos that you want to send as snaps, and after that you can also edit it by using this pencil icon which is at the bottom left corner, or else leave as it is and get back from it, and you can directly tap on the aeroplane like icon in order to send to this user at the bottom right, and it has already been sent as snap to your Snapchat users. So this is how we send videos from camera roll as a Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.